Ụmụnne ndị Enuani, ụmụnne ndị Igbo, daalụnụ. Welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across our videos, please kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that when we put out videos, you'll be among the first set of people to see the video. Today, there's something I want to clarify, something very, very important. Yesterday, I saw a comment on my Facebook page saying that any kingship system that practices primogeniture, that is, the transference of kingship from father to first son, has its origin from Benin Kingdom. And I disagreed with that. First of all, Benin Kingdom began around 1440. Before then, you had Yogiso era, which did not adhere to this father-to-son system. Now, primogeniture of the Benin Kingdom was brought to them by Ekaladeha, who some people call Oramian, who is a son of Oduduwa, the very person who instituted the monarchical system of Benin today, where you have the Oba as the head of the traditional political system. Now, before this time, the Igbo traditional societies had their own Ezes or Obi, as the case may be. Some communities have Okbaluku. Even the communities that have Ezes and Obi also retain that traditional system of Okbala being the head of each lineage. Now, the Okbala system is by seniority, which we call gerontocracy. Now, to become an Okbala and have the Ofo of the lineage in your home, you will be the oldest male in your patrilineal lineage to be able to become an Okbala of a lineage. So, the kingship system in some parts of Western Igbo land may have been influenced, mark the word influence, by the Benin Kingdom, whose system was established by Oramian, but it was not established by the Benin Kingdom. If it were, Oramian came from a place where the king is called Oba, and as you would see, the person who heads the traditional system in Benin today is also called Oba. Now, there is nowhere in Western Igbo land where the king is called Oba. Instead, they are called Obi or Eze or Okbaluku. So, the kingship system in Western Igbo land may have been influenced by our Benin neighbors, just like they were also influenced by us. But no kingship in Enuani was established solely by Benin Kingdom. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do well to place your comment. Ask questions. Maybe in my next video, I'll be able to address them. Thank you and God bless you.